Welcome back to another video. As always, I appreciate your time. In this video, I'm going to show you a website. Let me load this up real fast. I'm going to show you a website where you can go to get content ideas for your social media, whether that's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, LinkedIn, Tumblr, whatever platform you're using right now to reach your audience. I'm going to show you this website right here, which is called Portent.com, and it's going to give you content ideas so you can use for your pictures and videos, and it's an idea generator. Not only that, you can see what your competitors are typing in just to see what's going on in your niche or your field of industry, to see what topics or what content is getting the best reach. So without too much talking, let's get straight into the video. So as I mentioned before, the name of this website is Portent.com. I'll leave a link below in the description for you to check out. Make sure you stay all the way to the end of the video so you definitely get a full detailed report of how to use this website thoroughly. But what you're going to do, and what I'm going to do, is come up here, enter the subject. For this video, I'm just going to do affiliate marketing because that seems what most of y'all are interested in on this channel so far. And it says, for best results, don't capitalize keywords, exact or proper noun. So just put in like a broad specific keyword. Use a singular version of your keyword. Revise the results to create your own fantastic correct headline. So it says you got a title, great. Now what's your content strategy? Check out the resources below. So we gave a brief rundown. Let's see how it performs in action. So affiliate marketing, you're gonna come over here and it says, so the best suggestion for me would be, if I want to go for about a how topic for affiliate marketing, it would say, remember the Governator. It's just like a bad sequel that has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. Let's try another one. Make it stop. Alright, affiliate marketing. It says teach your readers something new. So alright, let's try SEO. Let's see what comes up for that. Alright, so the suggestions that it gave me for SEO, it says if you tell them how to build it, they will read it. So that's something that I can include in my blog post or in my next video that I make about SEO. For SEOs, the keyword phrase is, sometimes the story is more interesting when told backwards. So what they're basically telling me is to tell my story, or reverse engineer the story of how I would go about explaining SEO, which it's pretty helpful in a way. Let's see, let's do email marketing. Alright, so this actually pulled up some good results. So it says I could do the headline, 13 facts about email marketing. That could be a good suggestion. Remember, the best informative writing is also entertaining. So they're telling me when I write about email marketing that not only should it be informative with information, but it should also be entertaining. It said everyone thinks, but what is it truly worth? And we'll just do one more just for the purpose of the video. But like I said, feel free to check this website out. You can just type in whatever industry you're in and it'll give you a bunch of cool suggestions. For lead generation, said think outside the box, how you want to. It's getting warm in here, but just play around with it. If you're stuck for ideas, this is an alternative method that you can use just to get some different types of content out there for you. But thanks for watching this video. Without further ado, I appreciate if you like this video. Leave me a comment below. Did you find this useful? Are you going to give this website a try? What are your ideas and procedures about going to get ideas for your content? Let me know all that below. Leave a comment. Within the first 24 hours, I will respond to all comments. As always, I appreciate you. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when I release new videos, which I'm doing daily now. So you get a new video every day. I appreciate your time for watching this. Have a good day, good evening, good afternoon. Remember, watching my videos will help you learn, but but they can only do so much if you're willing to take action from what you're learning. So don't just get caught up in the YouTube cycle watching video after video after video. Make sure that you're taking action after what you learn and implement that into your own system. That's going to be all for today. As always, your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci, signing off.